A load capacity of 8 kilograms ensures that this Grundig washing machine can easily handle the laundry requirements of a family household. An included 5-year guarantee on parts and labour provides long-term protection if it's registered within 90 days, offering peace of mind and reassurance of the durability. Quick Wash can clean a full load of laundry at 40 degrees Celsius in just 40 minutes, delivering rapid and efficient cleaning that saves money and time in an all-round economical wash. Sense Wash uses sensors to detect the size and fabric type of every load, to set the optimal wash settings accordingly, giving you the best possible results with minimal effort while caring for each garment. Get an efficient performance that uses less and saves you money with this Grundig washing machine and its A++ energy rating.